So good morning students, welcome to Sagar College. तो आज हम स्टार्ट करिवा क्लास 12 रो बायोलॉजी and this is chapter 1 which is reproduction in organisms. Okay, so before going to this chapter in details, we will discuss about one concept. What is lifespan? Okay, what is lifespan? Lifespan means what? Span, duration of life. Duration of life or period of life. So every organism will take birth and one day the organism will die. That period from birth to natural death is called as lifespan. For example, this is the organism. Okay, this is the time where the organism is born. Okay, birth. And this is the time the organism will die. So this is death. Clear? So birth means here the life starts. Life starts. Here life ends. That means this period the life is present. Yeah? Life begins from birth, life ends with death. So lifespan is the period of life, duration of life, or simply you can define the time period from birth to natural death. So lifespan means what? It is defined as the time period from birth to natural death of an organism. So the time period from birth to natural death of an organism is called as its lifespan. Natural death means the organism after birth, their growth, then old, aging, and naturally that organism will die. That is natural death. No accidental death, no infectious death, disease death नहीं, accident death नहीं, suicidal death no. नेचुरल प्रोसेस रे जो डेथ हुए, नॉर्मल डेथ, नेचुरल डेथ, से टाइम पीरियड टाक आम कौन कह लाइफ स्पान. This is clear to everyone? Okay? So your life begins, your life ends. So every organism will die. All the living organisms will die in one day. दिने ना दिने समस्तंको मरिबाक पड़िबो. ठीक अछि? So every living organism will die. समस्त मरवे. किसी एक्सेप्शन अच्छी जो मैंने यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म अच्छी अमोइबा दे हैव नो नेचुरल डेथ. दीज आर इमॉर्टल. ओके, सो एक्सेप्शन अच्छी सब जगह रे. एक्सेप्शन टा कौन? यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म्स have no natural death. So these are called as immortal. Unicellular organisms are immortal. Mortal means what? मरणशील. जो मैंने मरती नहीं ताको इमॉर्टल बोलिए हमें कहिबा. No problem. So all the unicellular organisms has no natural death. These are immortal. Fine. So except these unicellular organisms को छाड़ देले बाकी जितनी की living organisms रहिला, they will die one day. They will simply die. But birth and death, this period is called as lifespan. It varies. Lifespan varies फ्रॉम वन स्पेसीज टू अदर स्पेसीज। तो जेतिकी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स अच्छे समस्त लाइफ स्पान सामान नुह, इट इज नॉट कांस्टेंट। ओके, सो लाइफ स्पान विल वेरी फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिजम टू ऑर्गेनिजम। समस्त जीवन काल गोटे निर्दिष्ट न थाए, समस्त वेरिएशन आसे, चेंजेस आसे। सो नोट दैट पॉइंट। सो लाइफ स्पान इज स्पेसिफिक for each organism, for each species. Clear? And the lifespan is not related to size. Lifespan is not related to size. The size of the organisms and the lifespan is not related with each other. यदि कंसेप्ट माइंड धारणा थी कि छोटा ऑर्गेनिजम स्मॉल ऑर्गेनिजम्स विल लिव फॉर शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन एंड द हायर एडवांस ऑर्गेनिजम्स लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग दे विल लिव फॉर मोर इयर्स, नॉट लाइक दैट। यू नो, ह्यूमन बीइंग लाइफ स्पैन इज ओनली 60 years एंड द सिंपल tortoise लाइफ स्पैन इज 150 years. सो इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू साइज। इवन जदि आम दुटा ऑर्गेनिजम्स को नबा विथ सेम साइज, सिमिलर साइज, their lifespan also varies. For example, आम गोटे एग्जांपल नवा क्रो एंड पैरट। Crow and parrot, nearly roughly similar size similar, but crow lifespan is 15 years, whereas the parrot lifespan is 150 years, 150, 140 like that. तो साइज देखो, क्रो पैरेट साइज ऑलमोस्ट लगभग सिमिलर, बट लाइफ स्पान इज 15 years to 150 years, greatly varies. That means it is confirmed that the lifespan is not necessarily related with size. Is it clear? Okay. So next part I will give you some examples of lifespan. देखिए, अब राइस प्लांट भी है, राइस का लाइफ स्पान 3 to 4 months। वही रोज का लाइफ स्पान देख सकते हैं, रोज 5 to 7 years। अब ह्यूमन 60 years, ठीक है जी। देन क्रो 15 years, tortoise 150 years, banyan tree more than 1000 years, है ना। So I will supply you the study materials where you will get all the lifespan. So for your convenience, some of the examples I have written here. Each example some like the lifespan, but now the real concept arise. So यदि प्रत्येक organism मरुचंती, if all the living organisms will die one day, then how the organisms continue on the earth surface? तो ताहले earth surface रे तो 1.7 millions 1.8 millions of species किमती till now they are present, ठीक है कि नहीं। That means there is some process to run the life. Okay, there is some process to continue life, there is some process to continue the species. The organism will die, but the species generation will continue. That means before the death, from birth to death, the life starts, life ends. Before the end of the life, a new life is created, a new life is generated, a new life is created, ठीक है। So could you tell me the name of this process? The process is dash. The process is dash. Which process it is? This organism will die, but it will make a new generation. There is one process. For example, I will make This is the organism, Mr. X. This is Mr. X and this is Mrs. Y. Okay, so one day they will die. मरीगला पर कौन ना अगर गोटे ठीक चिन्ह आसो let Mr. X, let Mr. Y. They will die one day. So before their death, some process is happening. Some process is happening. And what is that process? What is this process? To create a new generation. To create a new generation. Okay. This is the concept. They will die, but before their death, they will make a new generation. They will create a new life. They will develop a new generation. And this beautiful process of the nature, this beautiful business of the nature, okay, most important business of nature, and this business is called as, this business is called as what? Reproduction. This business is called as what? Let me write. This important process of the nature found only in the living organisms. This beautiful process, reproduction, is the feature of living organisms only. Non-livings cannot reproduce. Are you getting me? So this important process is called as what? Reproduction. So how can you define? This is a biological process by which the organism will create the new organism similar to themselves. Human being will produce the human baby. Elephant will produce the elephant baby. Clear? A dog will produce the dog babies. So of their own species, they will make a new generation. They will die, but life will continue. Species will continue. So life passes from one generation to other generation. By which process? Reproduction will pass life from one generation to next generation. This is clear? So definition lekhiba reproduction na kono? So tale eitu kon asla which is process? This process is nothing but reproduction process. Clear? This is reproduction. That means birth. Then उसके बाद birth पर कौन हो? Growth. Then reproduction. Then death. बुझिएला जदि रिप्रोडक्शन होने डेथ हो गला ताले नुआ लाइफ हमें देखिए को पाइबो नाही. फॉर एग्जांपल जेतिकी टाइगर अछंती इन द वर्ल्ड, all the male and female tiger will have a strike. They have decided they will not reproduce. समाने गोटे स्ट्राइक रे बसले चिंता कले कि they will not reproduce throughout their life. तापर one day the male female partner of tiger they will die. After their death, you will not found any tiger on the earth surface. पाइबे तो तांकर डेथ परे अर्थ सर्फेसेस रे you cannot find any kind of tiger on the earth surface. Clear? If the reproduction fails, the species will not continue. So reproduction is essential to continue the species on earth. बुझी होची कि नहीं? तो से टाइगर खाली आमे फोटो रे देखिबा, बुक रे देखिबा, टीवी रे देखिबा, रियल लाइफ रे आमे देखिया को पाइबो नाही, because the reproduction fails, life fails. Simple. लिखिए definition. So reproduction is a biological process. Reproduction is a biological process by which living organisms produce young ones similar to themselves. नहीं और एमती लिखिपर young ones of their own species. So living organisms will make their own babies of their own species similar to themselves. Is not okay? So next concept is this reproduction process is not essential for survival of an individual. उसका क्या मतलब है देखते हैं. So second point is speaking about it is not essential. এটা আবশ্যক নুহে দরকার নুহে জরুরি নাই ফর सर्वाइवल ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. गोटे लोकर गोटे इंडिविजुआल गोटे पर्सन सर्वाइवल बचापी रिप्रोडक्शन नहले भी चलो. ओके. ऑर्गेनिज्म विदाउट रिप्रोडक्शन इट कैन सर्वाइव. एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर द सर्वाइवल. से बंचीज आराम से. बट जो रेस्पिरेशन बंद हो जाए, न्यूट्रिशन बंद हो जाए, विदाउट ऑक्सीजन विदाउट न्यूट्रिएंट नो वन कैन सर्वाइव. बट इफ रिप्रोडक्शन फेल्स नो इश्यू. The organism will survive, but new species will not come. New life cannot be created. So it is essential to continue life. It is essential to continue the species, but not an individual. ठीक ना नहीं. तो सी जो टाइगर कथा हम कहते एग्जांपल आम डिस्कसन करूँ. टाइगर जब रिप्रोडक्शन न करे तांकर बंचार किसी असुविधा नहीं. सी बंचे बुढ़ाई मरवे, बट तांक पर आउ टाइगर देखा पाइबा नहीं. क्लियर? So reproduction is essential. Reproduction is highly essential for survival of species. बुझे कि नहीं? Or to continue species or life on Earth's surface. That means it is highly essential for the species continuity, to run life, to pass life from one generation to the next generation. ना नहीं तो बिना रिप्रोडक्शन रे लाइफ आ गोटे जेनेरेशन को जाई पारिबो कि नाही. स्पेसीज कंटिन्यू करि पारिबो कि नाही. सो इट बिकम्स जेतेबेले स्पेसीज रे कथा आसी जाउछि इट बिकम्स हाईली एसेंशियल. जेतेबेले हम इंडिविजुअल गोटे सिंगल पर्सन रे कथा हम नउछु इट इज नॉट एसेंशियल एट ऑल. क्लियर? अब देखते हैं. हर एक ऑर्गेनिज्म तो रिप्रोडक्शन करेगा जरूर. जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से दे विल रिप्रोड्यूस डेफिनेटली. बट problem is that in each organism that develops its own style to reproduce. In the animal kingdom there are 1.2 millions different types of animals, you know. That means 12 lakhs varieties of animals present, 5 lakhs different varieties of plants present. But in each organism, it may be plants, it may be animals, it may be bacteria, it may be fungus, it may be protozoa, it may be virus, that develops own strategy to reproduce. Okay? So, each organisms, each species, each organism develops its own strategy strategy for reproduction, own style for reproduction. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ରିପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ କରିବାର ଶୈଳୀଟା ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ଅଛି, ୟୁନିକ୍ ଅଛି. So every organism reproduces its own style, own way, different way. Okay, depends on their sources, resources. ସେ ଅର୍ଗାନିଜିମ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅଛି କି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ଅଛି, ସେ ଅର୍ଗାନିଜିମ୍ ୱାଟର ମିଡ଼ିୟମ୍ରେ ରହୁଛି କି ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ମିଡ଼ିୟମ୍ରେ ରହୁଛି କି ଏୟାର ମିଡ଼ିୟମ୍ରେ ରହୁଛି, ଡିପେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅନ୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ୱେର୍ ଇଟ୍ ଲିଭ୍ସ. ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅର୍ଗାନିଜିମ୍ର କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସିଟି କେମିତି ଅଛି, ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ଆନିମଲ୍ସ ଅର୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ଆନିମଲ୍ସ, ବେସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍. So I am writing here the factors affecting reproduction. Factors affecting reproduction. रिप्रोडक्शन रे कौ कौ फैक्टर अफेक्ट पकईदेव. ये जो प्रत्येक ऑर्गेनिजम्स रो ओन स्टाइल अच्छी रिप्रोडक्शन करिवार तार फैक्टर किए. फर्स्ट वन इज हैबिटेट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. हैबिटेट माने कौन कहल, हैबिटेट मीन्स एड्रेस. ठीक अच्छे, हैबिटेट मीन्स एड्रेस. That means where it lives, the organism where it survives, where it lives, कौन जगह से रोज address. So the organism may live in aquatic medium, terrestrial medium or aerial medium. एरियल मीडियम. एक्वाटिक माने कौन, कौट थी सी वाटर मीडियम रे थी बा लैंड रे थी बा एयर रे थी. ये तो कौट थी ना, मे बी एक्वाटिक, मे बी टेरेस्ट्रियल, मे बी एरियल. वाटर रही पारे या फिर लैंड ना कौट थी एयर मीडियम रे थी. तीन टा जगह अच्छी, जल स्थल ना आकाश, तीन टा जगह ऑर्गेनिज्म थाए. बेस्ड ऑन इट्स एड्रेस, based on its habitat, the style of reproduction changes. जो को जगह रहिबो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी केते अछि से हिसाब रे तार कोन फंडामेंटल ला चेंज होई, स्टाइल ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन चेंजेस. नहीं सपोज हम एग्जांपल लवा फिश लिव्स इन वाटर, स्टाइल ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन चेंजेस. ह्यूमन बीइंग लिव्स ऑन लैंड, स्टाइल ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन चेंजेस. बर्ड्स लिव्स ऑन एयर, स्टाइल ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन चेंजेस. So everywhere it lives, the mood changes. Then the next factor, internal physiology. Internal physiology means the working mechanism टांकर केमती अच्छी, सिस्टम कौन कौन सब यहाँ पाखे अच्छी, वर्किंग मेकानिज्म. बुझिपारे कि नहीं, कौन कौन सिस्टम यहाँ पाखे डेवलप अच्छी. हाइड्रा जमती रिप्रोडक्शन करिवो, ह्यूमन बीइंग तो सेमती रिप्रोडक्शन करिवोनी, बिकॉज ह्यूमन बीइंग हैव रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, हाइड्रा डू नॉट हैव. So all the organisms have different physiology, so their reproduction style is different. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so habitat and internal physiology will decide how the organism will reproduce. क्या सिस्टम है उसके पास, मैकेनिज्म क्या है, that is the important factor. Then where it lives, it is also an important factor. Clear? Broadly जदि आमे देखिबा, broadly the reproduction is classified into two types. Broadly, reproduction in the organisms, it is classified into two types: asexual and sexual reproduction. ना स्कूल भी आम समस्ते पढ़ीचु अलिंगीय जनन आ गोटे लिंगीय जनन, मीन्स विदाउट सेक्स ऑर्गन, sexual reproduction with sex organ. Which one is simple? Asexual. Which one is complex? Sexual. Simple difference हमें note करिबा, then we will go on details about it. Asexual reproduction is the simple method. Sexual reproduction is the complex method. If it is simple, so it is found in simple animals. It is found in simple animals. Found in simpler animals. এটা কোটে পাইবা found in complex animals. ऐसा नहीं है कि कॉम्प्लेक्स एनिमल्स में सिर्फ सेक्सुअल मेथड ही है, उसमें भी सेक्सुअल मिलेगा आपको, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कंडीशन एंड एनवायरनमेंट. समटाइम्स द हायर ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऑल्सो रिप्रोड्यूस एसेक्सुअली. Okay, we will discuss केमती कौन पाइंती ही why sometimes the higher organisms also reproduce asexually. We will discuss. Now tell me, if it is simple process, so asexual reproduction will take place only if the condition is suitable. Yes or not? As it is a simple process, in unfavorable condition it cannot be done. Okay, so it occurs during favorable condition. It occurs during favorable condition. It occurs during unfavorable condition. These are the difference. Okay, now we will go in details about asexual reproduction. Okay, so काम करिवा में we will continue from the next class details about asexual reproduction. So you will get prepared. I will send you the material also. Okay, class 12 chapter start agala. So from the first chapter onwards, get ready, get prepare yourself. Okay, so next class we will start from asexual reproduction, types of asexual reproduction and different examples. ठीक है जी, thank you.